Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a QVC TSV ELEMIS gift set to share with you. This is the Pro-Collagen Gift Face and Body Collection. It comes in 3 different scents, which I will go into in a little while. Inside contains 6 ELEMIS beauty products. It has a value of over £200 and up until, I believe it's the 13th of November, so just a couple of more days left to go. They've got it on today's special value price for £59.95, saving over £140. There's £3.95 shipping on top, and you can opt to do what I did, which is to pay £11.95 over 5 easy payments. If you're interested in this set for yourself, then you'll find details down below in my description, as well as my giveaway on Instagram to win a Sephora advent calendar. If you're interested, you're welcome to take a look there. Each set will contain a Pro-Collagen Marine Mask, it's 100 ml, a Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm, 50 grams, a Papaya Enzyme Peel, 30 ml, Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, 30 ml, and then a bath and shower milk in the choice of your fragrance, 300 ml, and a body balm, 100 ml, in a choice of your fragrance. So you've got Mayfair No. 9, which is a spa-like uplifting fragrance with indulgent notes of lavender, eucalyptus, geranium and chamomile. Then you've got English Garden, which is a romantic fragrance evoking a feeling of escapism and the British countryside with notes of peony, geranium and mandarin orange. For some reason I had it in my head that it was English Rose, and I don't like rosy smells, but there's no mention of rose in that whatsoever, so I probably would have really loved it. Anyway, I went for Skin Nourishing, a comforting, calming fragrance that helps you build a soothing ritual with notes of oat, milk and camellia. I've been getting one of these sets now every single year, every year for the last couple of years. It's just such a bargain. If you like the products, that is. It all depends, doesn't it? If you're going to use the products inside the set. I did a little reel earlier on, so it's all looking a little bit messy in there, but when you do receive the set, it's in cardboard packaging inside this box. You've got the tissue paper neatly folded ready, and then you've got the bows, perfect for if you want to give it as a gift to someone for birthday or Christmas. But yeah, this is just what I've done. Starting off with the 2 products that are in the Skin Nourishing fragrance. And we've got a shower gel. It's a shower cream. Skin Nourishing shower cream for dry skin, cleanses, conditions and softens. And there's 30 ml here. It reminds me of babies. That's what it reminds me of. It does. It just reminds me of, yeah, my babies when they were little, giving them bath. So if you love smell of babies, you would love this. Yeah, it just smells so, so nice. Then we've got a Nourishing Velvet Body Butter. Replenishes, smooths and firms. It's 100 ml there. One of my favourite boxes from these TSV QVC November deals was a Neroli one. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. I think that was about, was it 2 years ago maybe? This feels amazing. If you love the smell of babies, you'll love this. The Skin Nourishing one. It's just really, really nice. Really nice. There's that. Okay, now on to the products that we'll all receive, regardless of what fragrance we choose. And we've got the Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an enzymatic cream exfoliator, and there's 30 ml here. It's fruit enzymes to help exfoliate your skin, leaving it soft and smooth, as it says. And can I give you anything else? Oh, and I didn't even notice this, but it's got how to build your box. Remember me saying that it all came in different compartments, and the ribbon and the tissue are all separate. It just tells you how to build the box to make it look pretty, if you're giving it away to someone, that is. It says apply to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. After 10 minutes, rinse off with water. For best results, use twice weekly. So there's that. Then we've got a Pro-Collagen Marine Mask. Hydrating face mask. And there's 100 ml here. I'm sure I haven't tried this. Apply to cleanse skin, avoiding the eye area, leave for 8 to 10 minutes, remove with warm water. Stand here for a 7-night Pro-Collagen Marine Mask challenge. Okay, got a little QR code there. For a more intense treatment, layer under your Pro-Collagen Marine Cream at night. Ooh, okay. Just want to see what that's like. Only a tiny bit on my hand. I'm smelling it, it's no point. I can just smell. the body lotion or the body butter. So you've got a face mask. Then we've got the Pro-Collagen Serenity Cleansing Balm. Again, something new for me. And there's 50 grams here. If you've tried this, please let me know your thoughts on how it compares to the others. Slight, subtle scent maybe. I absolutely adore these cleansing balms. They are gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. It's limited edition and it's infused with calming notes of lavender, vetiver and clary sage. So there's that. We can't have an ELEMIS Pro-Collagen box without the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream Moisturiser. There's 30 mils here. Gorgeous, gorgeous moisturiser, quite lightweight, suitable for most skin types. It's just a really, really gorgeous cream. It just goes with everything of my skincare, well under makeup as well. I love the night cream. I like the Pro-Collagen cream with the SPF 30. I do really like it. It just goes on to telling you how to use it, but there's lots and lots of information on the QVC website about each product individually. So I thought I'd just do this quick little video just to show you what's inside the Skin Nourishing ELEMIS QVC TSV special offer gift set, the Pro-Collagen face and body gift set. So to recap, we have got a Pro-Collagen Serenity Cleansing Balm. We've got a Pro-Collagen Marine Cream Moisturiser. We've got a Pro-Collagen Marine Face Mask. We've got a Papaya Enzyme Peel. We've got a Velvet Body Butter, and I've got it in Skin Nourishing, and a Shower Cream, and again I've got it in Skin Nourishing. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've tried any of these products. What do you think of this box? Do you look forward to QVC releasing their ELEMIS pre-Christmas boxes like I do? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? Not too sure. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.